Chapter 7 Book Vistas Evans Tries an O Level. Written by Colin Dexter. Colin Dexter is an English crime writer known for writing mystery novels. And he has also written many short stories about crime and criminals. So, here in front of you is a story, a play dealing with crime and punishment. Evans Tries an O Level. The main character, James Roderick Evans, is a jailbird. He is in jail, Oxford jail. He is quite a pleasant sort of chap, an amusing person who is very good at imitations also. He is not a violent person, but a congenital kleptomaniac, means he has a strong desire to steal. He is a clever planner and has already escaped from prison 3 times. And now at this moment, he is taking O-level examination in German language. All precautions have been made to see that the O-level German examination in prison is arranged for him. And even Evans does not provide him a means to escape from the Oxford prison. All the arrangement has been done to see that he doesn't escape from the prison. As we go through the play, we find that criminals are step ahead of the jail authorities. Evans makes elaborate arrangements and waits patiently to execute his plan. And we see in the play that who has the last laugh, the governor or Evans. Now see down. Should criminals in prison be given the opportunity of learning and education? This topic has been in debate much. The many NGOs and people, they try to say that these criminals should be educated. They should be given a chance to reform. But if we see here, we can see what is the result of that. And now see dramatis personae, main characters of the play. One is the secretary of the examination board. They will conduct the exam, O-level exam. Then the governor of HM prison, Oxford prison. The governor, he's the main there. Then this is the main character, James Evans. Right? James Evans, his full name is James Roderick Evans. He's a young prisoner. Okay. He is appearing, as I told you, for O-level German examination. He's not at all interested in the language. He is actually executing his plan to escape from the prison. And you will find the story is very, very gripping, very, very entertaining. Then we have Mr. Jackson, a prison officer. He's an experienced man. Okay, but still Evans escaped. Then we have another prison officer, Mr. Stephens. He's a newly recruited prison officer. Then we have the Reverend S. McLeary, who is invigilator. He's a parson, he's a clergy, he's a father from St. Mary's Mag Church. Then we have Mr. Carter, detective superintendent. Mr. Bell, detective chief inspector. So these are the main characters of the play. And we see, though every precaution is taken by prison officials, the governor and Mr. Jackson and Mr. Stephens, but still Evans escapes right under their nose. And that is why this story is very, very entertaining, very, very gripping. Right? Now we start the chapter. All precautions have been taken to see to it that O-level German examination arranged in the prison for Evans does not provide him with any means of escape. It was early March when the secretary of the examination boards received the call from Oxford prison. So the governor, he rang up to secretary of the examination board. It's a slightly unusual request, very unusual request. But I don't see why we shouldn't try to help. Just the one fellow, you say. That's it. Chap called Evans started night classes in O-level German last September. Says he's dead keen to get some sort of academic qualification. Now governor tells the secretary of the examination board that it is very unusual request, बड़ी अलग से request है और वो कहते हैं हम क्यों ना help करें. एक fellow जो कि उनके जेल में है, उसका नाम Evans है, उसने night classes शुरू की हैं जर्मन में O-level के लिए, and he's dead keen, very interested to get some academic qualification. Now the secretary says, is he any good? क्या वो अच्छा है उसमें? तो गवर्नर कहते हैं he was the only one in the class, so you can say he has had individual tuition all the time. He says he was the only one in the class and he had, you can say, individual tuition. अकेले ही उसने पढ़ा है. Would have cost him a packet if he had been outside. और गवर्नर कहते हैं उसे इट वुड हैव कॉस्ट हिम लार्ज मनी, बहुत पैसा लग जाता अगर वो ऐसे अकेला बाहर पढ़ता। वेल लेट्स गिव हिम अ चांस, शेल वी। तो सेक्रेटरी कहते हैं ओके शेल विल गिव अ चांस, दैट्स जॉली काइंड ऑफ यू, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली द प्रोसीजर नाउ। गवर्नर पूछते हैं तो क्या प्रोसीजर है। ओह डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट, आई विल बी सेंडिंग यू ऑल द फॉर्म्स एंड स्टफ। व्हाट्स हिज नेम, यू से इवेंस। He says, secretary assures him that he will send all the forms, every stuff, and he only says what is his name. James Roderick Evans. It sounded rather grand. तो गवर्नर कहते हैं जेम्स रॉड्रिक इवेंस। जस्ट वन थिंग गवर्नर, ही इज़ नॉट अ वायलेंट सॉर्ट ऑफ फेलो, इज़ ही। उससे पूछते हैं क्या वो वायलेंट है। आई डोंट वांट टू नो हिज क्रिमिनल रिकॉर्ड और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट, बट वो कहते हैं आई डोंट वांट टू नो अबाउट एग्जैक्टली हिज क्रिमिनल रिकॉर्ड, बट फिर भी जानने के लिए नो, देयर इज़ नो रिकॉर्ड ऑफ वायलेंस। गवर्नर एकदम क्लियर करते हैं उसके खिलाफ कोई वायलेंस का रिकॉर्ड तो नहीं है। क्वाइट अ प्लेजेंट सॉर्ट ऑफ चैप, कहते हैं बड़ा अम्यूजिंग है, बड़ा प्लीजिंग सा है। दे टेल मी बिट ऑफ अ कार्ड, रियली कार्ड मीन्स वेरी विटी, वेरी एंटरटेनिंग। विटी मीन्स बड़ा अक्लमंद है। वन ऑफ द स्टार्स एट द क्रिसमस कॉन्सर्ट, imitations, you know, the sort of thing, Mike's Yarwood stuff. Then he tells him that he became the hero at the Christmas concert. उन्होंने कोई जेल में कॉन्सर्ट किया होगा and he became the hero for that. And he's very expert at imitations. मिमिक्री करने में, नकल उतारने में वो बड़ा एक्सपर्ट है। No, he's just a congenital kleptomanic. This is very important. He tells he's a congenital. Congenital means he's born with particular illness. उसके अंदर एक बीमारी है, that he is kleptomaniac. Kleptomaniac means he has a strong desire to steal. उसके अंदर एक desire होती है चोरी करने की. That's all. The governor was tempted to say add something else, but he thought better of it. He would look after that particular side of things himself. Now governor was attracted. Tempted means attracted to say more about him, but he stopped. Presumably, said the secretary, you can arrange a room where. अब secretary पूछते हैं, just for a guess, he says, आप कहाँ पर arrange करेंगे classes? Oh, sorry, exam. No problem. He's in a cell on his own. If you have no objections, he can sit the exam in there. गवर्नर कहते हैं वो अपने सेल में है, अपने ही रूम में है, और सेल में जिसे कहते हैं ना प्रिजन का जो रूम होता है उन्हें सेल बोलते हैं। वो कहते हैं वो वहीं पे दे देगा अगर आपको कोई ऑब्जेक्शन हो, दैट्स फाइन। गवर्नर दोबारा से कहते हैं एंड वी कुड ईजिली गेट वन ऑफ द पार्सन्स फादर फ्रॉम सेंट मेरीज मैग टू इन्विजिलेट इफ इट्स दैट। वो कहते हैं इन्विजिलेशन के लिए एक फादर को बुला लेते हैं। फाइन, यस। They seem to have a lot of parsons there, don't they? The two men chuckled good-naturedly and the secretary had a final thought. And then they both laughed. वो कहते हैं हाँ सेंट मेरीज बैग में तो बहुत सारे फादर्स हैं। And then they chuckle. Chuckle means they laugh in a suppressed manner. बड़ा धीरे से हंसते हैं। At least there is one thing. You shouldn't have much trouble keeping him incommunicado, should you? सेक्रेटरी सेज ओके यू शुड हैव मच ट्रबल। कह रहे हैं ठीक है तुम्हें उसको चुप करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। इनकम्युनिकेटो मीन्स विदाउट कम्युनिकेटिंग, द फादर विल बी गुड बिकॉज ही विल नॉट कम्युनिकेट विद हिम। द गवर्नर चकल्ड पोलाइटली वंस मोर। गवर्नर एक बार फिर से हंसते हैं। reiterated his thanks, he repeated his thanks and slowly cradled the phone and then he kept the phone. Evans. This is all in my first video. Thank you.